Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right here I have 8 wicks in my hand and I'm going to be doing a correction on them. They were sent to me by my client and I will be reattaching them to his hair in person. The first thing I'm doing is a detox, and as you can see I have a smaller bowl of water, but the measurements I'm using are a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and a half a lemon. I just squeezed the juice. Then I massage the hair throughout, and I continue expressing the buildup out. Any buildup that's in there, I just get it out with a massage. So I begin by removing the thread and rubber bands, and as you can see, it's banded all the way around, and a common misconception with combining locks is that thread is going to make your locks merge together. It's not true, and you're going to see what it looks like after I remove all of the thread. So here's what the locks look like after the thread has been removed. I do not know how long they were like that, but they will not lock together over a period of time. Even if it's been years, your locks will just be individual locks with thread in them. When I posted this video on TikTok, it was in response to a question that I got asked, how do you dry the locks? So I'm showing you guys my bonnet dryer that I attached to the end of my blow dryer, and there's a preview of the wicks as I was finishing them. I only had 4 done at the time, but anyway, you put the locks inside of the blow dryer, and then you connect the blow dryer to I messed that up. You put the locks inside of the bonnet, and then you connect the bonnet to the blow dryer. When the dryer is turned on, the hot air will blow all the way through, and it'll come through some holes on the side of the bonnet, and then when you open it up, you can feel the hot air coming through with your hand. Please forgive me for uploading this hyperlapsed. I will go back and find the videos that I've done on this before, and I will link it to the top so you can see how I distress the locks. But after you distress the locks, it should look like this. Here I tried to capture a slow motion of me doing the crochet hook. I move the crochet hook in and out and turn the hair with the other hand. It doesn't matter which direction you go, but I keep the crochet hook relatively in the same position as I move it. And this is what the finished wig should look like. As you can see, my client has plenty of hair to work with, and we are ready to reattach. Right here, I'm just sectioning the hair into 8 sections. There's no particular rhythm or rhyme on how to do this. Just make sure it's even and placed in the way that your client wouldn't mind having for the rest of their journey. I'm starting to reattach right here, but if you want to skip to the tutorial part, I'll link that in the description as well. So here I am just stretching out the hair to anchor it to the base of the wick. I use about the first inch of that wick to pull the hair onto little by little and crochet it in. Once the majority of the hair around has been anchored at the bottom or at the base of the wick, I will then go up and wick the rest of the hair. So right here, now I am getting ready to wick the rest of the hair. Here I'm just checking my work to make sure it's even, and I still have a little ways to go. I will also link the finger protectors that I use from Amazon in the description. You may notice that I'm using the exact same motion that I combined the wicks in order to put the wicks on.